All right, Miss Lowry's class. Today we are going to do number talks, and I am so excited to share number talks with you. I have been taking a class about number talks and working really hard to figure out the best way to help you learn math. And what I've learned so far is that we do math in lots of different ways. Like, for instance, Hunter may not do the same thing that Elijah does when he works out a math problem. I don't know everybody's name, but I'll do the best I can. You work things out in different ways. And it's number talks give us a chance for you to show us the different way that you work out math problems, okay? So today we're going to do number talks. I'm going to show you a couple of hand signals that we're going to be using during this time. To answer questions, to show Miss King that you're thinking, okay? So the first one is your hand in front of your chest. Go ahead and show me that. This means I'm thinking, okay? The next one, when you are thinking, you're going to hold up your thumb when you have an answer, and you can tell me how you solved it, what strategy you used. What does strategy mean? Thanks. Okay, so those are some different strategies. Tell me what a strategy is. So he gave us some examples. What is a strategy?
A strategy is like if I'm trying to do like I'm trying to do an answer, but I need to do some like regrouping and stuff. You can kind of use that, and you can use the lineup strategy.
Okay.
And all those.
So those are more types of strategies, but what is a strategy?
A strategy is a strategy is a way that a strategy is a way that you solve it.
Exactly. Okay. So we have lots of different strategies for solving the math problems that we have. Okay. We're gonna leave here alone right now. Okay. Okay. All right. Next. If you have more than one strategy, okay, this is one strategy, one answer, one strategy. If you have more than one way to do it, you're going to show me that on your fingers also, okay? The last one that I have, the last one that I have is agree. I agree. So you've probably seen somebody do this. This means I agree or me too, okay? If you disagree with someone, all we have to do is we're going to be like, kinda. We don't have to say anything. We're just going to do this with our hand. Okay, so let's practice those one more time. Ready? I'm thinking. So this is what's going to happen in just a second when I show you the math problem. Thumb up means I have an answer and a strategy to solve it. Okay? More fingers. I have more than one strategy. I agree. I disagree. Okay? Excellent. All right, so I've been having some trouble with the board, so I'm hoping that I can do this on the board. Okay, let me make sure. Nope. Oh, there it goes. Okay, grab it.
You gotta do it in the middle.
Okay, do it in the middle. What do you mean? There.
There.
Okay, thank you for that help. All right, so here's our first problem. Remember, this means I'm thinking. Our problem is 28 plus 11. Voices are off. This shows me that you're thinking. This shows me you have an answer. This shows me you have an answer, no hands. This shows me you have more than one way to solve it. Okay. All right, if you have your thumb up, then that means that you have an answer to give me. Leave it up, and I'm going to call on a couple of people to give me an answer. Your thumb should be right here in front of your chest. All right, what answer do you have?
39.
All right, give me another one. Got something different? Do you agree? Okay, do you disagree? All right, what answer do you have if you disagree?
I have 38.
Okay. Agree? Disagree? All right, you have something different than 39 or 38? Nope. So you want one of those? Yeah? All right, do we have anybody else that has something different than 39 38?
48.
48? Okay. All right, so the next piece that we're going to do is you're going to defend an answer. So when your thumb came up and you had an answer, that also told me that you had a way to solve it. Okay? So here's what you're going to do. You're going to pick one of these to solve. And what you're going to say to us is, I want to defend 48. And that tells me that that's the one you're going to show me how to work. Okay? Does that make sense? So if you have a strategy, go ahead and put your thumb back up that you want to share. All right, tell me what you did. Which one are you defending? 39. All right, tell me what you did. Loud, proud.
What I did was look at 2 and then look at 1 and that's it.
All right, you looked at the 2, and you looked at which one?
The first one.
This one? Okay.
And then for the 8,
What'd you do with those numbers?
I add them together.
Okay, so you said 2 plus 1 equals,
Equals 3.
okay. Then what'd you do, babe?
Then I added the 1 together.
Oh, then you added the ones placed together? All right, and you got, all right, then what'd you do? That's all you did? Okay. So right now I have the answers 30 and 9. How did you get the answer 39? What did you do? All right, so when you got to this point, did you just put these numbers together? You didn't add them or anything, you just put them together to make 39? All right, so then you took this number and you made 39, right? Okay, so, can you come out of there, please? All right, so first, tell me your name. Trinity. Trinity, first question I have for you, and I have for everybody, but don't say anything out loud. First question I have for you is this really a 2? Do you think that this 2 right here is really a 2? Or do you think it's something else? Alright, tell me what you think it is, Hunter.
It's 20 because the 2 is in the tens place, and if you add 2 plus 1, it's just going to equal 3, and you don't know if it's in the tens place.
Oh, alright, so then Hunter, what do I need to do to make this correct? Right now it's just a 2. What do I need to do?
You have to add a 0 where it is.
Alright, Trinity, why did I turn this into a 20 instead of a 2? What place value is this? The tens place, right? And this 2 tells me that there are 2 tens. And 2 tens is 20, right? Trinity, is this really a 1? Oh, I messed it up, didn't I?
I like it how it's a little
Trinity, is this really a 1? What is it? It's not a 9. What place value is this in, Trinity? In the tens. So what is this 1? It's the 10, right? Alright, so if this is 20 and 10, Trinity, what's 20 plus 10? 30. Okay? Now, teammates, you can't just put numbers together. That can't just happen. So what do I have to do when I get to this step? What do I have to do? Yeah.
I used to do it because I had
You have another strategy? All right, can somebody else tell me how to figure out what I need to do next? That's what I'm curious about. Tell me what I do next.
30 plus 9.
Ah. So I can't just put these numbers together. I have to do an operation. Right, Trinity? So Trinity, we took the 30 and we took the 9 and we added them together. Trinity, what's 30 plus 9? 39. All right, that's one strategy. Okay? You know what I think we can call this strategy? Can you think of a name? Oh. Hmm? Well, we're doing mental math.
Lineup strategy.
Lineup strategy. You know what I think we did? We kind of broke it into place value, didn't we? Did you see how we did that? We took out the tens, sit up, and we took out the ones place, sit up. All right, so you know what I'm going to call this one? I'm going to call this one break apart strategy. Okay? And I'm just writing this right now. I'll make us a better chart. Okay? But I just want to quickly add that to it. So we broke it apart. All right, can somebody else tell me a different way? Tell me a different way. I'm looking for, all right, I had you just a second ago. Will you tell me which answer you're defending?
I'm defending 39.
39. Tell me what you did.
I took the 8 and the 1 and I added together.
Okay, so you took the 8 and you took the 1 and you added it together.
And I got 9.
Okay.
So then I added the 30. I added the 2 and 1.
Oh, I hear that same language again. Is that really a 2 and a 1?
No.
20. 20 and what?
10.
10. So 20 plus 10 equals
30.
30. And then what'd you do?
Then I put the 9 with the 30.
Can we just put the 9 with the 30?
No.
What do we have to do? Add it. Hey, tell me your name.
William?
Isaiah. Isaiah, is this the same thing as this?
No.
Are these two the same?
Yes. But you just
Tell me if you think it's the same. Tell me if you think it's different. All right. Isaiah, this is the same, but this time we took out the ones, and then we took out the tens, and this one we took out the tens, and then we took out the ones. Do you see how it's the same? Okay. Give me a different strategy. This is crazy, boy. All right, tell me a different strategy. Let's see. Friend back there. Tell me your name, sweetie.
Braxton.
Braxton, tell me what you did.
So I did, so like when I
Oh,
got,
hold on just a second. I'll have everybody's attention. Thanks. Braxton, tell me what you did.
so like when I got 39, so I did the same strategy as that, but when I got 39, I checked my answer, so I did 39 plus 11, and then when you do that, 39 plus 11, you add that up, and if it equals the same number, if it equals 30 minus 99.
Oh,
39
thank
minus
you.
11.
I'm so glad you fixed that. I know sometimes we can get confused. That's why I wrote it down for you. So right here, if I do this and I take away, what answer do I get?
I'm supposed to get 28.
You get 28. All right, can somebody else tell me another way that you solve 28 plus 11? Oh, right here in front of you. Right here in front of you. I'm going to grab a girl and then I'll grab you, okay? Tell me what you did.
For my number, never mind. That was the wrong number.
Oh, okay. Tell me something. Tell me. Come here.
Base 10 block.
All right, tell me what you did.
So I'll put 2 10 rods for 20
All right, 2 10 rods.
and 8 ones.
Okay.
And then on the other side, I put 1 10 rod
Uh-huh.
and 1 1.
Okay. And what'd you do?
And then I added them all up. I did 10, 20, 30.
All right, so you said 10, 20, 30.
There's 31, 32, 33.
Did you keep going?
34. No, I did.
No, you didn't?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you're trying to confuse me. All right, what'd you do with that guy? So I had a 38.
Then I added that one over to 30. Not over to 38.
And you made it.
39.
All right, great. There's another strategy. All right, so far we have the break apart strategy. And we also have base 10
And checking the
and tracking it. I'll add that one up there, okay? I want to keep on going. All right, Elijah, tell me what you did.
What I did to
Which one are you defending?
38.
Okay, 38,
They're 40.
48. All right. What'd you do?
What I did like LeBron, but the 10s, bucks, and ones, and I did 4 10
You did 4 tens? Why'd you do 4 tens?
Use this one.
We can't just decide that it's 4 tens, can we?
Oh. What I did 48, well, 38 plus 10, it's equals 48. Then I did it in base 10 blocks. Then after that, I got the answer for it.
Okay, so, but do you, you see where you kind of maybe went wrong? I don't quite understand what you're saying to me. I don't know why you did 38 plus 10. Can you help me with that? Why did you do 38 plus 10? Did you think that was a 38? This right here? Maybe? Okay. Do you see, do you see why I'm struggling with that? Okay, because we got to use the numbers that are here, right, Elijah? All right. Anybody else have a different strategy for that? Give it to me.
I got 39 because I used 39. I used the line first.
All right, you use the standard algorithm. So here's what you did. You did 28 plus 11. Then tell me what you did.
I did the 8 and the 1 first.
All right, you added the 8 plus the 1 and you got 9.
And then I had the 2 and the 1.
Is that really a 2 and a 1?
No, the 20 and the 2.
Yeah. And then what'd you get? How many
And then I got
tens?
30.
You got 3 tens, 30. And you got, so your answer is 39. Okay, so I'm going to put that over here on the board too. I'm going to put, let's see, I need a blue. So I'm going to put right here, I'm going to put standard algorithm. I promise I'll write this better. Alright. Did anybody use a different strategy? Tell me what you did. You've been holding your hand up a while. Uh-huh. Say that again. You did 20 plus 19. All right, why did you do that? Listen, this is important. This is very different than what we've been doing before. Let's just sit up. Tell me why did you do that?
I didn't really put it like that.
Yeah.
Because other people would put it like that. So I did get the 20.
All right, so you pulled the 20 out of this?
And I put the 8 in the
Oh. So, tell me your name. Say that again. Jamaje. All right, so Jamaje took the number apart, right? Oh, this game. Get that right. You took the number apart, right? And then he gave this guy over here, he said 11 plus 8. And what'd you get right there? What'd you tell me you did 20 and 19? Now I'm doing that. All right, so then what did you do? So now I've got this 20 left and I've got this 19. Tell me what you did then. You added the 20 and the 19 together? Can you do something to the 19 to make it simpler? Easier to work with? Or did you do this in standard algorithm? Standard algorithm? Alright, so then you put, what'd you do? Is that what you did in your head? Alright? Alright, and then what'd you add here? Zero plus 9, right? It's 9. Is that really a 30? Is it really a 30? What is it?
30.
It's really 30, right? Because we know that this is 20 and this is 10, so this is 30. You got 39. Whoa. He broke it down even more than when we broke it down over here. He actually gave some away, and he was working with friendly numbers, wasn't he? He moved to 20 instead of 28 because that was easier for him to work with. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to add friendly numbers. Ooh.